fix, the Safari Clear History and Website Data option is unavailable. Turn off web restrictions. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If asked, enter your iPhone passcode. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. To disable the restrictions altogether, toggle the switch to the left side next to Content and Privacy Restrictions. To turn off only web content, tap on Content Restrictions below. Then tap on Web Content and select Unrestricted Access. Reboot your iPhone. If the first solution didn't fix the problem and you still see the Clear History and Website Data option grayed out, we recommend restarting your device. This method most likely will help remove the issue if turning off the screen time restrictions didn't help. Disable Safari iCloud Sync. Open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top. Then tap on iCloud. Scroll down until you see Safari and toggle the switch to disable the sync. Clear the Safari reading list. Open the Safari browser. At the bottom bar, tap on the Open Book icon. Then tap on the glasses icon to view reading list. To remove a single page, swipe on it to the left and tap on Delete. To delete more than one page at a time, at the bottom right corner, tap on Edit. Select the pages and tap on Delete. Block Safari cookies. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Under Privacy and Security, next to Block All Cookies, toggle the slider to enable the option and confirm the action. Delete Safari data from the advanced settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Then, at the bottom, tap on Advanced and select Website Data. If you have data to delete, scroll to the bottom and tap on Remove All Website Data. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Then go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.